Good morning, we're in Oxnard, California. This is my TRX. We're gonna be putting on a brand new Borla ATAK Exhaust with polyphonic technology. What does that mean? It means it's gonna sound freaking rad. Good morning, Ted, how you doing?
Good morning, doing pretty good.
All right, so we're going to install the new ATAK Exhaust on here.
Yep.
All right, let's get to it.
All right.
All right, so Ted, last time we were here, we were talking to David, and he was explaining this system and how it's different than the stock system in that the X-Pipe, the crossover section, right? So this crossover right here is very unique, correct?
It is. It's got a very natural flow to it, so you don't have the turbulence of a conventional X-Pipe. The flow path isn't interrupted, so you don't have the two exhaust gas flows kind of running into each other and creating a turbulent area. So it's a very neat design, very unique sound that comes out of it as well.
And then I see there's 4 smaller tubes welded together in both sections here. And then if I look down, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but you can see, whoop, I don't want to bend anything. You can see kind of in there are 4 tubes. See through there. What's the point of that? What does this do?
This creates a very colorful sound, and the theory behind it is very similar to that of like organ pipes and creating, different resonances inside of the tube. What we're gonna do is you got a flange here and a flange here, and we're just basically gonna replace everything up to this point here. There's a couple of slip fits here.
Ted, so I think we are removing those resonators, is that correct?
Yeah, those resonators are coming off, and they're gonna be replaced with our tube technology here.
Oh no, cutting the TRX. So here's a piece of the stock exhaust. Now, Ted, I'm noticing these really interesting perforated sections right here in the stock tip. What are these for, and why are we retaining them?
So we're retaining them because they're actually a part of the exhaust system. They actually remove resonance from this tube. These patches will, if you look really closely, you still won't see the holes through them because they're really, really, really tiny. And what happens is sound is able to escape through those holes, but most of the exhaust gas is not able to come out. So that allows the resonances inside of the tube to be relieved, so you don't have any sort of standing waves and resonances inside of the tubes.
Is this common, or is this unique to the Hellcat?
It's not exactly common, except for the fact that you do see these on Chevy Silverados. You're starting to see them in more places.
And out comes the factory X-Pipe. So we reuse the factory gaskets, correct?
Yep.
And boom, and boom, and boom. Square, square. You're gonna get the first start. Wow! There's a crackle to it. That's freaking awesome!
Yes, it is.
Wow. All right, give me a little burble. I'm gonna walk back there.